If passive income is what you're looking for, then I have just the app for you. This app claims to pay you for every single minute that you spend using it. It works on PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones across the world and pays through PayPal. Sound too good to be true? Well, let's explore this app together. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. Join our community and help yourself achieve financial freedom or just become more financially savvy this year. And with that said, let's go make some money. The app that we're going to be using today is called Enroll App, and it's a platform that will pay you to take usability tests and share your opinions about a variety of products, product designs, and services. So how it works is this. You know how before companies release any kind of product or service out in the market, they like to conduct tests just to make sure that the finished products have undergone tests and that they're good enough to release to the general public. Well, Enroll App partners with these companies and gets a pool of users to do the testing. It's fun, it's simple, and you can get paid in real money for just giving your opinions and your thoughts about certain products and services. Now, there are some tips and tricks that you'll need to employ to make sure that you can get the most out of Enroll App. Don't worry, because if you stick around for the entire video, I'll be sharing all of them with you. Just a quick disclaimer, this app will not make you rich by any means, but there are still two reasons why I personally enjoy using it. First is that it's super simple and completely beginner friendly. Second is that you can earn extra cash anytime and anywhere, whether you're standing in line in a bank or on the train to work. So if you're ready to get started, then take out your smartphone, your tablet, your PC, or your laptop, and let's head on over to their website at enrollapp.com. To join, you can click on this register button over here on the upper right-hand corner of the page and simply type in your email address. Make sure that you enter a valid one because you'll need to click on a verification link that they'll be sending you to get started. Once you verify your email address, you'll need to send your name in, click on I'm not a robot, and you should be good to go. Now let me talk you through the rest of the registration process just so you can see exactly how this will work. So go ahead and click on where it says I accept your challenge and enter in your PayPal email address. And that should take you straight to this page where you'll be asked for all of the languages that you speak. Don't be shy, tick on all the applicable languages because the more that you speak, the more tests will be available to you too. Enter in your mobile number and that should take you to the next page where it asks about your availability. Now make sure that you check where it says yes, because even if you have a job or kids or are generally just a busy person, I suggest that you click on this because it will give you access to more tests and essentially allow you to earn more. So after entering a few more details in, another important question that you will be asked would be the level of your education. So whether you're a high school student, a college graduate, or anything in between, I suggest that you click on college graduate or postgraduate as this will give you access to more tests. That should take you to the part where they ask you about your income sources and yearly income. And I suggest again that you exaggerate just a little bit because the higher your income is, the more tests you will receive as well. After that, you'll also be asked about your hobbies. Keep in mind that they will be assigning tests and tasks based on what you're into and what you know about. So again, I want you to specify as many as you can. Finally, make sure that you specify advanced when asked about your internet proficiency and either 4 to 5 or 6 when asked about the number of hours that you spend online. As for the last question, I want you to tick on all of the devices that you can test on because the more devices that you have available, again, this means that there will be more tests and tasks that you can access. After completing your profile, you can then visit your dashboard and start working on all of the available missions. There will be a few poll questions here, as you can see, so go ahead and answer what you can. You'll see that the progress bar will move on up based on the number of these that you answer. And answering the polls will also significantly increase your chances of getting qualified to take tests because brands do pay for specific panel groups. You can think of these poll questions as profiling questions. Plus, they have this unique progression system where you earn mission points for each poll that you answer. Now, some tests are going to be really simple. For example, they can simply ask what you think about a specific logo or design. And then again, there will be other tasks that will be asking you a series of questions. And based on the ones that I've tried out, they should take around 10 minutes to complete. For questions regarding a product or service's usability, you can expect questions about your experience on a website or how difficult or easy you found it to navigate, etc. All of the tests on the Enroll app are on a first-come, first-served basis, with each of them having a limited number of spots, so do make sure to take it as soon as you see it, just so you can earn your rewards. Once you complete a test, you will receive the reward, which will then be credited to your Enroll account. If you remember the profile questionnaire from earlier, this is actually the very reason why I wanted you to select yes when asked if you wanted them to send you tests as soon as they're available, so that when you receive an email, you can grab the chance to complete it right away. Each test pays around 10 US cents a piece. And that's not really much, but something that's super easy that you can do at your own convenience. It's also a pretty good gig for beginners to get started. The payout threshold is also really low, only at $1, so even if you just answer the quick and simple tests and get 10 US cents each, you'll still be able to cash out via PayPal in no time. Payments are made every 11th of the month if you're able to reach the $1 minimum, which I'm totally sure that you'll crush. And it will be processed automatically. You don't need to make any payment requests each and every time. So let's say that you've earned at least $1 within the month, then you can expect to automatically receive it on the 11th of the following month. I hope you got inspiration from today's video and that you get to try this out as soon as you can. Do leave us a comment below once you have so we can share our money-making experiences and really help each other out. After all, that's what this YouTube community is made for. Speaking of YouTube community, if you haven't already, then please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below so that you're always kept up to date on our latest videos. We have a ton of them lined up for you in the weeks to come, and you don't want to miss out on a single one. Alrighty then guys, it's time to get to work and not just take note of these ideas, okay? No matter how small, get started doing something today. Simply signing up takes you one step closer to making more money and reaching your goals. Let us know how that one goes for you. Stay safe guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.